Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to fit high cone pyramid studs with our green machine. So first off we'll take a look at the die. It comes in two parts. You have this base die which is spring loaded. This is going to hold that backing pin. And then this is your top die. This is going to hold the high cone pyramid stud. We'll screw that into the top. Let's take our backing pin, which looks like this. It is self-piercing, so we don't need to make any holes. And we'll put this right into that base die, and it should just drop in with it pointing upwards. Then we're going to take the pyramid. On the back you should see there is a hole for that pin to go into, and this just pushes up into that top die. That will hold it in place. I'm going to take some faux leather, place it in between the two dies and compress that down. And there we have it. That pyramid stud all secured in place.